In this video, I'll show you how to follow your favorite team and players on FlashScore app, so you get notifications from them, simple and easy. So what you need to do is, you can see the favorites there at the bottom of the screen here. In the middle, just tap on that. So good. So now you can see teams here, so you tap on the plus button at the top right corner of your screen to add some. So to favorite it, you just need to tap on the star to add it to favorite or follow them. So let's say I want to add Esperance Tunis. Yes, so I star it and you see it has been added. So Al Nassr. Okay, sorry. So I opened the Esperance, and then I can add any team of my choice, or you can tap on the three buttons there and then you search. And now let's do the same for players. So for players, let's tap on the players there. They are going to give us some, let me add Kylian to it. Let me add Rafinha. Good. So that's it on how you add players or follow players on your FlashScore. So in this case, you'll be getting notifications from them anytime they do something. They get a card, they score a goal, they give an assist. For the teams too, you are going to get same matches and all that. You can see the game section here. Since I follow Madrid, I'm getting their upcoming matches and then the matches that will be played today, which is Barcelona live. So that's it on how you follow teams on FlashScore. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.